name's Tom.
And I'm Jack.
And we're the co-founders of Rayo Tequila. Today we'll be teaching you how to drink tequila at home with 2 easy-to-make drinks that will bring that little bit extra to your Christmas dinner parties. The first will be our favourite tequila cocktail, the Paloma, with a homemade grapefruit syrup. And the second will be our signature serve, the Tequila Tonic.
Today we're going to show you how to make the Paloma, which is one of those popular cocktails in Mexico. So what you'll need is a bottle of El Rayo Reposado, loads of grapefruits, some rosemary, some sugar, some salt, some lemon and lime, some ice and some soda water. So first we're going to make the syrup. I'm going to zest 1 grapefruit. So next you want to juice 2 grapefruits. You want to add that juice to the pan, and then you want to add the juice of 1 lemon. So next, you want to add 105 grams of sugar to the pan. You want to put that into the hob, bring it to boil, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Pour the syrup into an airtight container and put it in the fridge, and let it cool down completely. So next it's time to make your drink. First, you want to take half a lime and juice the rim of your highball glass, and dip it in some salt. Next, it's time to put all of the ingredients into your cocktail shaker. To start with, you want 50 ml of El Rayo Reposado, 50 ml of fresh grapefruit juice, and then you want 25 ml of your homemade grapefruit syrup. Next in is the juice of half a lime, and then lastly, you want to put in a load of ice. Add a top to your shaker, give it a whack. So finally, you want to fill your glass with a load of ice. Give this a whack on the table to release the glass. Get your strainer, strain that in. Then you want to top that with a little bit of soda water. Give that a little stir. Then last but not least, your garnish. So we're going to go with a slice of fresh grapefruit. And then you want to get a sprig of rosemary. Give it a smack, which will release the flavours. The soft, sweet notes of the Reposado pair perfectly with the fresh grapefruit and a delicious hint of rosemary.
So now I'm going to show you how to make our signature serve, the Tequila Tonic. For this you'll need 1 bottle of El Rayo Plata, some Indian tonic, 1 fresh grapefruit, some ice and a highball glass. So first you need to fill a highball glass with ice. You need to add 40 ml of El Rayo Plata. Top with Indian tonic. Now we need to slice a generous grapefruit wedge. With the TNT, we want to show you that tequila can be the first drink of the night and not just the last. Thanks everyone for watching.
Now it's time for you to make these drinks at home.